Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, let's take a closer look at the GoPro Dive Housing, which is the official accessory for GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. So this accessory in here lets you dive with your camera all the way down to 60 meters. But apart from that, it also gives you the ultimate protection that you can get for your camera. So let's take a closer look at it now. So now, let me show you how to put your camera inside of the dive housing. So obviously, as the name of this product suggests, GoPro Dive Housing is a perfect accessory if you are interested in deep water activities. You know, GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini is waterproof up to 10 meters out of the box, but if you are interested in scuba diving, freediving or spearfishing, then that depth limit may be not good enough for you. Besides, when you're scuba diving, chances are you may hit your camera with your scuba gear, or you may hit it into something, for example a rock, while checking your equipment. So a dive housing gonna protect your camera from that and prevent it from scratches. So I don't think it's worth it to take any chances. After all, this camera in here costs around $300, so it's pretty expensive. So GoPro Dive Housing has two buttons to control your camera while you're in the water. So from the top, you have full access to the shutter button to start or stop the recording, while from the front, you have access to the mode button to power on the camera. What's more, you can also use these buttons to freely change the settings, as the tiny LCD display at the top of your camera is not obstructed in any way. So you can even preview what settings you are on. Unfortunately, GoPro cameras might get some water inside of them either because of some user error, or the waterproof seal that protects the battery compartment might get damaged over time, get dirty and start to leak. And honestly, I always gonna recommend an accessory like this whenever you're gonna go underwater with your camera, as it's simply more safer this way. Alright guys, so this is what GoPro Dive Housing for GoPro 11 Black Mini has to offer. And if you are looking for a dive housing for your camera, then this one is definitely the best one that you can get. It is a little bit pricey though, as it costs around $50, but if you are a GoPro subscriber, you can get it slightly cheaper on GoPro official website. So if you are serious about any deep water activities, then this thing in here is probably one of the most important accessories you can get for your camera. Of course, there might be cheaper alternatives on the market, but not all of them let you dive up to 60 meters. If you want to scuba dive, then this accessory in here is the best accessory you can get for your camera, and I highly recommend it. So for today's video guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!